Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Sudoku only ways. Open Microsoft Sudoku, pick a difficulty, and scan the 9x9 grid for obvious singles. Use pencil marks for candidates, eliminate numbers by row, column, and box interactions, and apply techniques like naked pairs, hidden singles, and X-swing when needed. Focus on logic over guessing, recheck candidates after placements, and finish the puzzle cleanly with calm, steady moves. Start by filling all naked singles and hidden singles to build momentum, then expand to pairs and triples to reduce candidates. Work systematically across rows, columns, and 3x3 boxes, always scanning for interactions that force a placement. Use pencil marks sparingly, erase when a number is placed, and avoid guessing unless you can logically justify a branch. Take breaks if stuck, and return with fresh focus to see overlooked patterns. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe, and like if you are finding the video helpful, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as seen here for a fresh ride that makes solving more pleasant. If you try it, you might smile when you jump back into a puzzle. Check the description for the link and other deals, and support the channel with a like. Now let's get back to the video. Practice common patterns like naked pairs, hidden pairs, pointing pairs, and box line reductions to increase solving speed and accuracy. Learn one technique at a time, then combine them on harder puzzles until recognition becomes automatic. Track time per puzzle to measure improvement, and use difficulty settings to challenge specific skills. Keep notes on recurring obstacles so you can study solutions, and celebrate small gains as you build consistent logic habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.